definitely is the 22nd of January 2026. So we'll be looking at our analysis, and of course, today is Thursday, so we'll be starting off with the pound dollar, then going to the XAUUSD, and finally the BTCUSD. But of course, before we go into all those assets having the pound dollar as their post currency, first let's check out if you are expecting any major news from the United States dollars today. Okay, so going to our Forex factory to check today, Thursday, January 22nd, just so you can see right here. The only major news we have coming up on USD is by 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time, which is going to be the final of the GDP or of the United States dollar. They followed by the unemployment claims. That's happening by 2:30 p.m. And then the next major news we are having, okay, is by 4 p.m. This is going to be the PCE price index. So those are the two major news we have expecting from the United States dollar today, being the 22nd of January 2026. So that's it. Let's go straight to our technical analysis. Now, yesterday we actually marked out some zones, some structures of which we said a move above these tenders are buy and then a move below tenders on the sell aspect of it. Actually, we took a short trade, I think from somewhere around there yesterday. I'm sure those of that actually saw the trade, actually took that trade from somewhere around there, and I think we targeted our just 1:2. That was just for scalping purposes. That's I didn't really drop it on the major channel right here. So just for scalping, the major one was supposed to be for a breakout above this, then go down here or up here, then you can get a break below this withdraw the market. So those are the major ones that are still looking at. That's not really happened yet. So we still keep fingers crossed. But then from the scalping aspect of this, let's go to the charts to see if they are seeing any change of structure yet. Okay, for now, no major change of structure on the what's it called on the 15 minutes time frame, no major change of structures. All I'm seeing is total indecisiveness from the market moving on the ranging market, moving just on the sideways market. So on pound dollar, we just keep fingers crossed to see if we can see a break above this or a break below this. That said, going to the next one, which is going to be the BTC USD. Now, yesterday we actually shorted BTC USD, and I think we make some good profits from that. Though not really too good because after moving in a direction, it's actually took us in just a minor profit because we didn't really take. I think that was took it to somewhere around. The market goes to somewhere around here. Then after this, we're expecting it to continue. Then it start moving. So I think we moved our stop loss after this level. So we almost like break even. So the focus was not really much on that. So today, what we're expecting just something similar still, but then we will now be going to be bullish from what we are seeing currently. So that's what actually do this. The market actually move into this zone, get this a minor retracement, everything of going on again on BTC USD. So today I'm more of on the long side on BTC USD, not really looking to short BTC USD. I'll be more than glad if I can see the market moving into this structure, into this zone, then I'll be going long and of course targeting the next zone, which is going to be right here. This is going to be my next target. So just like I said, waiting for the market to move into this zone, just the way we said yesterday. So you can get a break into this, a minor replacement that we think of going long. So that's it. Go to the next one, which is going to be the XAUUSD, popularly called gold. Okay, now here's gold chart, and of course, as you can see, gold has already been bullish, has been bullish for a long time. So no much analysis, just looking for change of structure, still in the bullish direction. So let's go straight to the 15-minute chart because that's already moved above these, breaking above our previous recent high. So let's see if we can see a new opportunity to actually go long on this. For now, I'm not really going to be going long on gold because look, from what I'm seeing, it just looks as if they are just chasing after the market. So for now, I'm not going long on gold. I just let my gold do whatever I want to do. For me, I'm not really going long on gold for now. So I just keep my fingers crossed to see what gold is going to do. Otherwise, if you want to chase the market, maybe on the scalping aspect, you can actually put your stop loss below this. Then where you're going to target maybe 1:2. But for me, I'm not really doing any trade on gold for today. I just keep my fingers crossed to see what is going to happen as it goes by. Probably if you can get if they pull back into this level, then I'll be more than glad. Otherwise, I'll just let gold go for today. So that's it. Actually, today's analysis actually beats are very easy. No much analysis. You can see it's just very easy and very simple for us to get our structures and our zone and where we'll be expecting. So I think this is going to be the end of the analysis. Remember, if you want to trade with my broker, you can just check the description. I'll be dropping a link there with my broker. You can actually open an account with them if you don't have any account. Okay, that said, this is going to be the end of today's analysis of course the pound dollar, gold, and BTCUSD. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Remember to stay safe, trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.